Hi. Big old Zed. Searching all over the tables.
That means you better get moving, people, when the birds move in the face.
Star's to do the same thing. I have nothing. Grammy's back to laying down with her blanket. It's getting chilly in here since it started to rain outside. He wants somebody to play. He's dropping toys. And Starr gets tired. She's not as young as she used to be. She can't keep up with the young guy. Okay, that is cute. He's laying in front of the fake dog, giving him the toy, hoping the fake dog will play with him.
What are you looking? Oh. This really works well together.
Look at that face.
You need to refresh your home this spring. From Stainmaster to Valspar to Allen & Roth. Hurry in for
He's pushing the flake. Oh, that is too. Oh my goodness, he gave the fake dog a kiss. He really wants to play with anybody. This dog is just like a statue. It ain't moving. He's very smart, though. When Starr is outside on her leash, he takes her for a walk. He grabs the leash and wants her to go for a walk. And he's listening to everything I say right now.
How much can my discount double check save me?
About $150.
Done. Insurance, find me money.
I got you a dollar.
I don't know where Starr went.
Insurance isn't the same as having State Farm. There to help you get to a better state.
Millions sleep on it every night, so why not walk on it every day? With Skechers memory foam, it's like a bed for your feet. Built-in memory foam insoles.
He's got this
provide a gentle, comfortable
toy over there by the
step.
statue.
Feel the difference with Skechers memory foam footwear.
So, you're saying you'll give me my credit score for...
Oh, Starr was right over here. Didn't know she was laying down.
Nothing.
And he's off.
You can talk to me.
This is Grammy's puppy sitting. And he left.